Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clock widget to your iPhone lock screen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to add a clock widget to their iPhone lock screen. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to lock your phone and then press and hold the lock screen until you appear on a window that looks like this. Then click on customize and then click on your lock screen and then click on add widgets underneath the time. And then here is where you're going to be able to add your clock. Okay, so if you click on clock, here we have different widget displays for your clock. And then so we'll go ahead and choose this first one here. And then there you have it. You've now added the clock widget to your iPhone home screen. Next, click on done. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add the clock widget to your iPhone home screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.